How was your first 3 months of the year? Hi, Charles here. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. So it's another day to celebrate and to win. Good luck for today. Kung ano man yung mga balak mo, pray for it na magtagumpay yan. Right? So, alright, let's dive in dun sa yung thoughts natin for today, which is how was your first 3 months. So I guess ang tanong kumusta na ba, ano na ba sa mga New Year's resolution mo nung January na nilista mo, kung nilista mo man ang na-achieve mo, yung ginagawa mo or yung kino-continue mo. So how was it so far, your first 3 months? So I hope may nasimulan ka na and you're doing it na, or kung may na-achieve ka naman, na-check na doon sa checklist na yon, good for you. Or kung may ginagawa ka pa or kino-continue mo, so go for it, right? I guess marami ako actually doon sa mga checklist or yung mga resolutions ko na for the next 3 months dapat ma-achieve ko na or meron na. Thank God for it. And yung continue kong ginagawa like ito, diba? Doing this vlogging or itong pagbi-video, sharing thoughts or something good to share in the world. So I guess yon ang pinaka lesson ko siguro for the first 3 months, kung ano man yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve or gawin, as long as with good intentions and you pray for it, God will lead you the way sa kung ano man yun. So yung pinaka-importante, pray for it, ask for it, and do it with good intentions for you, for others, for your family, and something na makakatulong, diba? For whatever reason it is, small or big, acknowledge your achievement, maging happy ka, maging grateful. So I guess yun, and sana makontinue ko yun, and ikaw din na nakikinig nito, I hope you do good, share good, and pray lagi, diba? God will lead us. Ayun lang for today, and see you tomorrow. Annyeong, God bless, good luck. Mwah.